Hi guys, I'm happy to show you our next tutorial, which is about Stata. So in our first tutorial I showed you how to enter your data with the simplest way, and in this time I'm gonna show you the another way to enter your data to Stata program. So first I want to show you how to clear your command window with the command called just clear. Just click enter. Oh, sorry. And uh, the reason why I am writing the end will be shown the the at the end of our tutorial. So in this time you don't have to follow up this end command. Just click enter the clear command and your working area will be cleaned. It's ready to work. And one recommendation to you that if you are starting this data program, just learn the command called clear, because all the time you work with different kind of stuff and you just missed out. If you just write the clear, everything will be cleaned and you can do your work from the start. But don't forget that if you are doing and everything will be ready for you, don't enter the command, the clear command, because this clears everything. So I cleared everything, and if you may be wondering why the left side in the view bar everything is staying, so this is review window is very helpful for you, because all the comments that you have entered will be shown in this side, and if you need one of them you can just find there, and you don't have to write all of them from the start. Just click one of them that you really need, and this will be automatically appeared in your comment window. I will clean it because I don't need it this time. Okay, let's add our method, which is very interesting and super method. So I write input and the name of my variables. So as you can remember, it was height and the name. Click enter, and the variables window you can see our two variables. This is height and name. So here you can also see the height and name number one. So height is 165 and name is Mike. Click enter. Oh, there's a problem. This is Mike cannot be read as a number. So here is the problem, that Stata program by default accepts the Mike as a integer. In order to specify the this problem, we have to describe and specify these two stata. To solve this, we write and. Here is the and is used when you are doing this method, and if you want to end everything, not just all of them, but what we are doing right now. Just click enter and your variables will be cleaned. Don't be confused. Clear and the end are different things. Clear will be distract all of your things. It will trash out what you are doing. But the end is just ends the variables that you are entering. So I will start it from this from the start, and that's why I have to write input the height, and I have to write str10. Why? Because SCR specifies to state the program that what we are the entering is consists of letters, and letters that contains maximum 10 letters. I mean, the names that you are entering contains maximum 10 letters. Usually the variables or contains just the maximum the 10 letters. That's why I just wrote 10, and if your variables contain more than or less than, you can also write 5, 10, 20 based on your test. This time 10 is enough for me, and just write name and click it. Hate name already, and we have to continue. Just so hate 165, it was Mike. Yep, that's right, no problem. Perfect. And 170 Joe is quite taller. That's right. And 155 Angela. Angela, that's okay, no problem. Yeah. So no problem. Here I can also write and, but it not distracts my work. Just end, and because of the we have not any problem, the end command will not destroy all our the variables. It's just comes to end and the what we are doing. So we have seen the next method with you, and you can see what we have written in our data editor. Here we can see height and name also. This is the same result we did with you in our previous lesson. So I want to show you the one more thing here. The comments cannot be written with the capital letters. If you write it with the capital letters, there might be problem. So what about labels? We can also write labels. In order to write label, we just write lab or label. It doesn't matter. When you are writing, you can write lab or label, and variable. Which variable? This is height, and the name of label is height of students. Just click enter, and label has been written. Next one is the label. Let's write label this time. Variable. Let's write with the capital letters. This is name. Yep. You will see yourself what the problem will be occurred in our superior's program. Let's write name and name of students. Click enter. Variable name not found. Here our problem is. So never and never write the name of your variables different from you have already written. Just write as the same. So label variable name. This is name of students. Just click enter. Here we go. The same result. We got the results. It was the second method, which is really the useful and handy when you are in a quick and when you are the data is not too much. So you can use this method. Yeah, after watching this video, don't forget to put thumbs up and click the button subscribe and watch my videos. Thank you for watching.